Hey, welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. We are down here at the pond getting ready to do our aeration. It's an aeration project. All the links are below to Amazon. Even if you're not doing aeration, hey, use the Amazon link. Go there, buy something else. Help support the channel. We do appreciate it. Thanks so much. Now, we got our boat we're going to drag down. We have two aerators in there. It's sheet metal and inflatable boat. So we are going to cover them in towels. And then we're going to put on our life jacket because see all this here? Wow, I'm a good swimmer. I can't swim in that. So let's get going. Okay, so the closest one is the Mallard duck. So we're going with the female Mallard first. I'm going to put together a towel. And we're going to put the father Mallard on top. Got that good. These are our hoses. As we go through, we're going to try to go through this grass. Don't know if we can, but we are going to try. Get on our life jacket here. These are lots of hitchhikers. Well, you can see them in there. You can see the closer one has a lot more going on. And we're only going to run for an hour. And we're going to set our timer up to run for 2 hours tomorrow and so on. Because what you want to do is not just keep it on, you can kill all your fish. So you got to slowly go in. Look at the mud coming up. Oh, let's try adjusting this a little. I don't know which one's which. I'm assuming this is the shorter one. Let's see. Oh, that's the far one. That one's got to be wide open. Oh, that one's there. So this is that one, right? I don't know. We're about half. Let's see what we got. When we come up here, you got to come up here to see it. They're pretty even there. That's pretty good. They're pretty even. What do you think? I think that looks pretty even. I don't know what time it is, but might be able to check that if we go back to here. So there's our aeration project, doing our end of the pond anyhow. This is supposed to help. You can see how we're clearing off already some stuff. You can see some churn from the bottom. Might still have a little more on the closer one than the far one, maybe a little bit. So I think I'm going to turn the valve just a little bit more and then take another look. But it looks pretty even. Not bad at all. That's a little better. We're nice and even now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Hey, you saw it here. We just did the planting. Now, it would help if you had 2 people in the boat. It's a little boat. Help if you had a trolling motor. The weeds are down considerably at this end of the pond off the bottom. Now, I did do 2 coatings of Knockout Defense and Boost that I bought. I'll also put links to that down below. And it's cleaned up. This used to be all green moss, and now it's cleaned up somewhat. Now I'm starting the aerating. You can see at the far end, there's a lot of moss still. I didn't do the other end of the pond. It's far to go, and I only got enough for 2 more applications at my end of the pond. So I'm going to let the neighbors know what I'm doing, and maybe they'll do their end. But hey, there you go. You can see what we got cooking there. And that first one's in about 6 foot of water. The next one's in about 10 or 12. So, hey. We'll see what happens here. We started this thing about 8:30. We're going to go program our programmer to be 2 hours tomorrow. And then we'll work our way in because we don't want to kill our fish. That's the key to aeration. Work your way in. It does stir up the bottom and get things in the water that will choke out the fish. Now, fish have the whole other end of the pond if they want to go. The other thing we're doing is we're taking the cold water from the bottom and bringing it up. So we are making the water temperature more consistent. So that's another upside to aeration. So don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on to My Two Good Hands. Use the Amazon links to help support the channel. We do appreciate it. Thanks a bunch, and we'll catch you in the next fun video. Do it yourself, save money. That's what we do here on this channel. See you later.